welcome back to the channel. Today we are playing Tiki Fire and there is a maxed out major. We have $400 in. We're gonna do some different bets and see if we can get the $10,000 major. Be sure to subscribe and smash a like if you guys enjoyed these videos, but let's get playing. Okay, we have $400 in. We're gonna start with some $1 rippers, which is $25 a spin. So you need 3 volcanoes or 6 fireballs to get a bonus round, but the major is completely maxed out. It would be nice to hit it. Let's see if we get lucky. One more volcano. Oh, that would have been a great start. Three more. So close. Volcanoes or fireballs. Oh. Two off. Two more. There we go. All right, so we're in a bonus. Took us down to 115, but let's see if we get our money back or hit the major. All right, let's start. Hopefully that major slaps it. That would be nice. Come on. Big balls. Oh, anything. Come on, big balls. 25. Oh, 125. Nice. All right, bigger balls. I saw the green. Oh, come on, give us the green. Do it, do it, do it. Okay. Or if we fill the whole thing up, it's 54,000, but that would be crazy. Come on. Anything. Save it. Save it. Oh, it saved it. Nice. Alright. We got the revival save. Come on, game. Keep filling it up. A mini would be great. Come on, give us a word. Oh, alright, last spin. Save it. Oh, that was it. Okay. A little bit of feel there. Alright, not bad. Cool. $700. So that puts us up 415. I think we should keep going for that major. I mean, you never know. Come on, game. Do a few more on the 25s. Then I might switch the bet down just because we just hit. Oh, doing one more. Oh, we got it again. Back to back. Okay, I didn't expect that. I was going to change the bet down, but I guess it worked out. All right, this game is on fire. All right, Tiki, come on, give us the major. Big balls. Oh, no balls. No balls. Oh, we got one. Come on, more balls. Okay, not too shabby. More balls, more balls. Ah, more balls, more balls. Do it. Okay, not bad. Can we get a word though? All 25s. They're all little balls. Tiny balls. I need a bigger ball, guys. That sounds bad. Oh, sweet. 2 away from hitting 54,000. I've never hit a grand in my life, but don't think it'd be today. Come on. Give me the chance at least. Slap that ball. Oh, that's a huge ball. Big balls. Okay, 1 away from $54,000. Will we get it? I mean, I doubt it. Come on. Be the day, be the day. Ah, oh, no. 2 more spins to hit that 54,000. Do it, do it. Oh, the anxiety. Last try. Come on, 54K. Oh, that would have been crazy. I wish. Either way, that's a really good hit. Wow, that's pretty big. 675. Jeez. All right, so we are up to like almost 1,000 profit. All right, guys, Huff and More Puff in the High Limits Lounge. We're trying for that $14,000 major. We're gonna try a few $25 bets here, but if I'm not feeling it, I'll probably change it down to either a 7 or a 15, but let's see if we can hit anything. So we need 3 saw blades, which, oh, it was right there. That'd have been crazy starting it off like that. Or 6 hats. Hoping for the saw blades though. I feel like the saw blades can be better because it brings you to the wheel and you have a better chance. Come on, game. 3 saws. Nope. Oh, we were 2 hats off. Saws. Alright, down to 3. Need to hit something to keep us alive here. Come on. Ah, close. Come on, hats. No action. Alright, we're gonna change our bet down. I feel like, let's play small. 750. If you build mansions, I mean, it's game over. Come on. Anything. Need to see some more saws out there, guys. Any saws. Not enough hats. Ooh, $12. Come on, hats. No. Not a whole lot of action going on right now, to be real with you guys. Come on. Oh. Alright, back to a few more spins. I'm feeling risky. I don't know. Let's try to rip a few more $25 because if we build a mansion, it's mini of 500. So if we get anything, it'd be huge. 62, not too bad. Pigs connected. Come on, piggies. Be nice to me, piggies. Saw blades or hats? Saw blades or hats? Aw. Come on, saw blades. 2 more. Oh, we were 2 off there. Oh, 3 off. Damn, might not get a single bonus on this today. Last spin. Well, we had fun, guys. That was Huff and More Puff and high limits. Let me see if we don't even have a wager saver. Well, we can do one more $7 spin. Let's see if we can get anything on that. Nope. Alright, we're playing one more 400 and see if we can hit anything. I want to know what the volcanoes can do for us. Oh, it's always 1 off, isn't it? It seems hard to hit that. One more volcano, do it! Oh my gosh. It feels so hard to get that. $20. Come on, game, be nice. I saw the miner in there. That was right there. Almost had it. Three. Come on, do it. Oh, that would have been nice. $1,000. Okay, it's not being so friendly right now. All right, we're playing one more 400. This one better be nice. See if we can hit anything, guys. Can something save us? Come on, volcanoes. At least give us a chance. Any bonus feature would be highly appreciated at this point. Come on, game. Don't be greedy. Even a line. Any sort of line at this point. It's not showing a whole lot. I think I'm gonna switch it. Let's play some fives. See if we hit. Imagine hitting the major on a $5 bet. That would be nuts. Could technically hit on anything though. Come on, game, do anything. Not even on a 5, wow. It's barely keeping me alive right now. Need to get your luck. Do something, game. Volcanoes. Nope. Alright, last 2 spins. Come on, give it. Nope. Ah. Well, that was a lightning link. Not even on a 5. Will it give anything on Lucky Chance? Imagine. Nope. No major for us today, but that was a fun run, guys. Make sure to subscribe and smash a like for more videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.